In this video, I want to show you an intersection where there is a bike lane and the cyclists have their own dedicated bike light here. We also have our own dedicated right turn signal. We have a sign that says you may not turn right on the red light. And again, it's because the cyclists have the right of way here when their light is green. So there is a little bicycle icon here inside this green light. It might be hard to see from the resolution of the video. And so we just have to wait patiently until the bike light goes to red, and then we subsequently get our right turn signal. Now, it's important to still shoulder check to the right before you make the turn, because it's very possible that a pedestrian or a cyclist will disregard the do not walk sign or the red bicycle light. It's more common than you would think. Cyclists seem to think that they're a hybrid. Whenever their bike light is on, they tend to want to go through, and then whenever their bike light is red, they want to switch back to being a vehicle and disobeying their bicycle light. So long story short, just be on the lookout for people disobeying their traffic control signal. And yeah, so scanning your environment, seeing what kind of intersection you're dealing with. Because, for example, I had a student recently on the test, they were trying to make a left turn at an intersection where they had a sign saying left turn signal. And so they were trying to go into the waiting position and make a left turn, and the examiner said, "Where are you going? You can't go into the intersection. You have to wait for your left turn signal to turn on before you can make your left turn." So same idea here for right turn signal. If you have a light that says right turn signal, and one of the clues, even if you don't have this sign here, right, so you don't see the right turn signal sign here, you should be thinking, why are there two different color lights here? Why is one traffic light saying green and the other one saying red? And so if you're in an intersection like this and you're in the rightmost lane waiting to turn right, even if this sign is not here, the fact that these two lights are telling you two different things should be a clue that this is the light you're waiting for, okay? Now they're kind enough to tell us it's a right turn signal, but again, you got to scan the environment and put the clues together, two and two together. Oh, bike signal, they're telling me do not turn right on a red, so when can I turn right? And that means that I have to wait for this light. Shoulder check right and proceed.